It's Mila at WTI, and today I want to share with you a dress I absolutely love by Pretty Garden. You guys, look at these beautiful sleeves. They have this beautiful frill that goes all the way down to the first cinch of the waist on both sides. And I love the neckline, how stretchy it is. So this is going to give you a very comfortable fit. You can see the material of the dress almost has like a stripe pattern going vertical. And I love this dress. You guys, let me go ahead and show it to you on. So now you can really see that frill in action. It's just the perfect length. So it doesn't really give you a sleeve, it just gives you a frill, which I love for spring and summer. Let me show you the length. So as you can see, the length goes almost to the floor. It's got a great look to it. I absolutely love this dress by Pretty Garden. That's my point of view.